Hi. Did you know that if you keep breaking promises to yourself, your brain collects evidence that you are not a trustworthy person and you can't rely on yourself? And if you can't rely on yourself, why would anybody else? For example, you tell yourself that today I'm not going to drink, but at evening itself, you open a can of drink. That is the tiniest promise you've broken to yourself, and you might laugh about it, but that makes a lot of difference to your brain. But also, the opposite is true. If you keep the tiniest promise that you make to yourself, your brain starts believing, oh, I can actually do this. If I can do this, I can do bigger and bigger things. So let's find out how. Let me tell you what I did recently. I was setting these huge goals for myself, like waking up at 6 a.m., working out for 1 hour, meditating for 20 minutes, and every time I slipped through these goals, I felt like a failure. I felt like there was something wrong with me. So instead, one day, I just promised myself the tiniest thing. I told myself that I will not drink Coke for 24 hours. And guess what? I actually didn't. And I kept that promise to myself. And that made a very big difference in the way I started thinking about myself, the way I started believing myself. That tiny win gave me a weird confidence boost. And the next day when I woke up, I was like, okay, let's do something more today. Another tiny promise to myself. And that's where it all started. That's where all the differences started to come into place. You would think, why does this method work? And like, what is this? Why such a tiny promise? Or you must have a lot of questions. But when it comes to your brain, it does not care whether the promise is big or small. It's tracking whether or not you're keeping it. When you keep it, your brain rewards you with dopamine, and dopamine is proof that you can trust yourself. We don't fail because we're weak. We fail because we try to climb Mount Everest on day one. We set impossible goals for ourselves. We get overwhelmed, we slip up, and then we call ourselves useless. That is the problem. We have to set tiny goals. Slow. How the turtle wins the race. Set tiny goals for yourself. Climb the ladder slowly, slowly, slowly. Because you start with tiny micro promises, you also stack tiny wins. Tiny wins build self-respect. Self-respect builds momentum. And momentum builds motivation, which is all you need to achieve anything that you want to. Let's say, if you want to start running and you set a goal for yourself saying, I'm going to start running. I want to run 5 kilometers today. Don't you think that's too much? And if you're not able to do that, do the smallest thing. Try to put on your shoes and leave your house and just walk. Just walk. Do that every single day. And one day your brain will just start craving more and more, and you yourself will just want to start jogging and then running, and then you can increase the distance and the pace. Do it all slowly. It's your life. Go slow. Your mind is like a courtroom. Every single broken promise is an evidence that says that you can't be trusted. You can't do this. On the other hand, every kept promise, every challenge that you actually complete, that you tell yourself to do, is also evidence, and it whispers, you can do anything you put your mind to. And that is exactly how you reprogram yourself, how you reprogram your brain. One silly little promise at a time, and that's all it takes. Drink an extra glass of water. Just put on your shoes. Don't even step out, just put on your shoes. Just read 2 pages. Open the book. Just bring the book out of the shelf. Silliest little promises will get you where you need to be, where you want to be. So here's my challenge for you today. Make a silly little promise to yourself. The tiniest thing you can imagine, like I'll drink water before going to bed, or I'll take the stairs instead of the lift today. Anything, the smallest thing. Keep it, protect it, and just do it. and see how life starts changing. Win these tiny battles, the bigger ones like career, health, and dreams, they won't scare you anymore. They will be right with you, and you can do anything, and you'll know it. Discipline is simply the art of keeping promises to yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and one day you'll realize that you can do anything that you put your mind to. And I will see you in another video. Bye bye.